Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to show you these incredible Plasticine Dessert Creations. Let's add some layers, shall we? Look at those thin, perfectly even sheets of yellow and white clay. Can you believe how realistic these tiny clay strawberries look? And check out these delicate chocolate swirls we're adding. They're made by carefully twisting thin strands of brown clay. Now for my favorite part, the finishing touches. We're going to add some texture to our cake using this amazing tool. And now let's pipe on some clay frosting. How amazing is that? It looks so real you'd almost want to take a bite. Let's create a beautiful clay macaron tower to accompany our cake. Watch as we form these delicate little circles and sandwich them together with tiny clay cream fillings. The colors are so vibrant and eye-catching. And for our final piece, we'll make a clay ice cream sundae. Look at how smoothly we're scooping those ice cream balls and topping them with a swirl of whipped cream. Don't forget the cherry on top, a tiny red sphere of clay that completes our dessert perfectly.